Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to disable YouTube Shorts on YouTube Premium. The process is quite simple. To start, visit chrome.google.com/webstore and search for Enhance YouTube and Remove Shorts. Click the Add to Chrome button and then confirm by selecting Add Extension. This specific extension is great because it allows you to hide shorts completely. Once it is installed, return to YouTube and click on the extension's icon in your browser. Select Enhance YouTube and Productivity from your list. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you locate the Shorts option. If the toggle is set to blue, it means Shorts are successfully deactivated. You can also check the Time Saved feature right here. There are many other useful options available in this menu for you to explore. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I will see you in the next tutorial.